Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to make a t-shirt design on Canva in, of course, super easy and super simple steps. So we'll just go right in and see how we can actually do it. So the thing with Canva is it's of course like great for designing in general, like a lot of stuff, and you can do this even if you don't use the pro version, because of course the pro version has a lot of things you can use. Like, as you can see, I have used Canva a lot before, and of course even if you don't have the free version, like if you only use the free version, you can still do this. So what we want to do is we can do this two ways. We either will just search for the t-shirt design, I will show it here, or I will just click create a design and I will just take any design I want that's like 16 by 9, but not like this, like 9 by 16, like a portrait, or like a rectangular shape. Like, I can just take any rectangular shape and just put that on a t-shirt, because you can use a website like Printify or something, and they just take your design and just put it on a t-shirt. So you can just take that, imagine something like this. I can just take something like this, play around with it however I want, and of course when I'm done with it, I'll be able to just save it and of course print it on a t-shirt. But of course that's what you can do easy. Like, you can easily do that. What we want is something unique, something different, something that hasn't been done before. So if you want, you can just do something from scratch. If the t-shirt we're gonna do is like a white t-shirt, for example, you wouldn't want the black background. So let's do something with the white background we have. What we can do is we can go to elements, and of course we can see the recently used ones, and of course everything we have done before. I like movies in general, so I'm gonna do something about movies. Let's just do something like this. I will just I can take the designs I really liked and just put them on like this. Of course, when you do something like this, you have to be careful that the designs don't just go out like this, because if this is on a t-shirt, the edge here would stick out like a sore thumb. So you don't want to do this. You just want to make sure the photo is fully visible. You can do this, because this part doesn't look that weird, because it's already in a straight line. But of course what we want to do is something similar to this. Of course, depending on what you want to do, you can add more stuff to it, you can add less stuff to it. You can add writings on it, you can change the pictures. For example, I see a better one here that I want to use. I'm just gonna take that one and just put it in the same spot as the one before. And of course, I can also use texts, because why not? I will add a text box and I will say lights, camera, action. It's like a classic movie thing, you know. So we'll take that and we'll put that in the middle. Let's just move it around like this, exactly. And now I can just change the font and everything, so much easier. So when I change the font, I will see the difference immediately. Maybe something like this. Of course I can maybe something like that, or I can just go on and play around with the fonts. Basically, there are a lot of stuff that you can use. As you can see, I kind of like this one. Maybe I can take one of these display fonts. I was looking for this one actually, the one with the outlines and the shadows, so you can make it look more stand outish. You can make it stand out more. Maybe even something like this, but I would have to change the colors so it's more readable on a t-shirt. Like this is just black and white. It's cool, but it's not really readable. I have to change it around. That is definitely not working. And of course, maybe something a little more like this. Maybe, yeah, this could work. And since everything else is black, let's just keep it black for a second. Like that. And of course, I can do drawings, which is a thing. Of course, you can like go with different styles of markers. Like you can add your lines like this to just give it give it that random touch. You know, like in the recent designs, the little touches they like give to the designs. Like you can add it to your t-shirt design, of course, through Canva's drawing feature. I will just like do this to fill in some of the stuff that I wasn't able to fill out before, because of course if I just like put a picture everywhere, it will look weird. Of course, this is not for everyone. Of course, you would have to like sit down. I'm not exactly a design person. I just like know the basics. So my thing is basically showing you guys what you can do if you have the ability. I'm just like showing you the tools and everything. Of course, there are multiple apps you can use. You can like do AI powered stuff. You can like create something yourself. And of course, like I said, the elements is a whole thing. You can like even use a photo of a shirt to like see the design better. I don't like doing that because I'm just gonna like take this and plop it into a t-shirt anyway. So I don't have to do that. But of course, if you want to, you can take a t-shirt as well. But of course, let's just close that part of the elements. You can take stickers, but they won't look good on a t-shirt. You can of course take photos. Like you can take something like this and I can make its position all the way to the back. And if I take it all the way to the back, I can make this the background for everything. Of course, if I make this the background for everything, I have to change with my writing as well. I will edit some effects. Yes, something like this. Some shadows. And I want some outlines. Outlines are important. You should do outlines to show, of course, not like this is just too whimsy. We need to make it more powerful. I want to make it more outline, thickness, and I want to make it stand out. Yes, this is now much more readable. Like imagine how we started and imagine how it went. Of course, you can then just share this, save this, you can download this. You can download it as a PNG, which is suggested. Then you say download and then you get the picture and you can plop it on a t-shirt. That's basically it, guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give us a like and maybe even subscribe to the channel. Of course, I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day and goodbye.